Greetings and thanks for joining me. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'd like to share my tips on how to draw a butterfly, so feel free to draw along if you like. This was actually a request from a good friend to the channel, Hester. If anyone else would like a drawing request, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll also give you a shout out. So, first things first, reference. I'll link to the references I'm using and some of my favourite butterfly pictures, but feel free to use your own pictures or anything you find online. After we've found our reference pictures, we'll move on to the planning phase. Let's start off with drawing the body. Take your time, enjoy the process. We want 3 segments for this part: the head, the torso and the tail. Make sure you leave enough room on the torso to attach your wings. After all, what is a butterfly without wings? I like to draw the torso a little more chunky than the tail and the head. And for the tail, I feel that should be a little bit bigger than the torso and the head combined. But do feel free to experiment. This is your drawing, so really just let loose and relax with it. Now for the fun part, the wings. We want 4 of them. This is where a good reference comes in really handy, as what better guide to drawing wings than nature itself. Let's plan the wing size. First, make 4 triangles, 2 big ones for the upper more powerful wings, and 2 slightly smaller triangles for the lower wings. With that out of the way, let's play with shape. Maybe you want a more angular design with your wings, like the Red Admiral or the small tortoiseshell. They have kind of angular designs with their wings as opposed to the common blue butterfly, which has more rounded and softer wings. It's your drawing at the end of the day, and it's your rules. Just follow whatever you feel you want to draw. References and symmetry will help make your design a lot more believable, but really the only rules are the ones for your imagination. With all 4 wings drawn, let's work on a pattern. This can be really fun as it gives you a chance to really experiment and search yourself for the ideal pattern for your perfect butterfly. I'm going for an eye design, mainly because I like actually drawing eyes. This butterfly will really want to show off its wings. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process of actually drawing them. With the rough sketch complete, let's move on to solid line art. This part is going to be sped up along with adding base colours, so I'll see you in a bit. So I went ahead and added the base colours. I didn't really see any point in adding any highlights or shading on there, mainly because I was worried about overworking it and it was starting to look pretty decent as it is. I started off with a red, nice deep red, with a soft orange centre. just to make it pop a bit and just to kind of break up the red itself. For the almost pupil-like area, I used a muted blue just to give it that extra pop, because blue is the contrasting colour of red. Basically that just means if you've got red, your eye will be drawn to the blue area, as it's completely different. To emphasise this, I also added a bit of yellow, just to make it pop a bit more. Finally, the blacks and whites, just add that bit of extra oomph and a bit of extra contrast to the whole picture. So thank you for joining me. I've been Phoenix for our Graphics Hub, and I hope to see you next video.